All right.
All right.
Better?
Yeah, let's do it again.
All right.
I'm ready. My name's Brett, and this is how we wrote, directed, and edited a movie in 50 hours. Well, first things first, we had to get our criteria. Things like the genre, the prop, the line, the dialogue, everything that we needed to make the movie. And I was heading over to the bar to meet up with the team at about 7:30, I think.
Oh, hey,
Hey.
there he is.
Good.
Just got back from the meeting.
All right.
You ready for this?
Yes.
Yeah.
The genre is thriller.
Awesome.
We have a line that's once in a lifetime.
Okay.
Yeah, the location's Main Street.
Okay.
The character is Ed Wood.
Okay.
And
Right.
the prop is the pineapple.
Okay.
Now we had to start the writing process. And not gonna lie, I wasn't quite sure where we were gonna put the character name, but I just knew we had to get something down on paper and see what would stick.
What if we did a movie about what happened if a tree falls?
And maybe the main character is an alien.
So it's like a ninja and a nun. I don't.
So,
Nothing.
I think we should look and figure out like who Ed Wood is.
Okay.
Like the real Ed Wood, or are we
Yeah.
like kind of owning
I mean,
it?
it could
and
just be a
making it our
name,
own?
or it could be anything.
Yeah. Wait a minute. What about one that's about a kid joining a cult?
Maybe we sort of cross genres a little bit. Maybe it's like a sci-fi thriller situation. So it's more like
Okay.
post-apocalyptic, maybe.
Choose anyways. There you go.
By the end of the night, we had a basic idea. It was gonna be about a computer virus that's taking over all computers, and the hero has to upload an antivirus, but it can only be uploaded at the terminal where it was created, kind of like a patient zero of computers. So the hero has to go through all these quests, find the computer, confront the villain, and save the world. We thought it was pretty simple stuff.
All right. Well, we're in a pretty good spot tonight. I mean, the third act's kind of weak, and we definitely need to find a place to put the line of dialogue. But I
Yeah.
say, get some rest and meet tomorrow at 7:30.
Yeah, 7:30.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
All right.
Sounds good.
I'll be there.
See you guys.
then.
Good night.
Obviously, we didn't meet at 7:30.
Hey man, sorry, I got called into work, but it's only until 4.
Come on, you're supposed to be the bad guy. What are we supposed to do here?
I mean, what if you did something like first person perspective? Like the camera becomes the character. Think Dave in HAL 9000 from 2001.
All right. Fine. It works. Just give us a call when you get off work, okay? All right. Bye.
Hey man, where's Doug?
Can you believe it? He's at work. Where have you been?
I forgot to charge the battery last night, so I'm running a little bit behind. I'm sorry.
During the filming, we learned really fast that you just have to roll with the punches. And, you know, a lot can happen in 50 hours, so it's important to be flexible.
All right. So what's my action?
All right, go around the corner real fast, turn around, and look right in the camera.
All right. Are you rolling?
Yeah. Wait! I didn't call action. We've only got a few hours left before we have to start editing. I think we're gonna have to cut some of the scenes from the beginning.
How is the ending going to make any sense then?
You know what, why don't you call Doug? He watches movies all the time. He'll have an answer.
All right. Good idea.
Brett, I told you, I'm at work.
Look, listen. It's only going to take a second. We're running out of time, and we can't film the beginning. We need to come up with something else.
That's tricky. What if you did like a Mad Max thing? You know, explain the whole situation through narration. Like, my world is fire and blood.
That actually might work. Yeah. No, it sounds good. Okay, we'll meet up with you later. Dude, by the way, you're a lifesaver. All right, bye.
Hey guys,
Hey,
how's it going?
Brett's been powering through for the past few hours, but hey, good idea on the VO, by the way.
Yeah, no problem.
What, don't you think that should be a little shorter?
Cool it with the backseat driving, okay?
Okay, alright. Well, you know, if you need me, I'll be over here.
It was getting down to crunch time, and not gonna lie, if we hadn't cut some of those scenes, we probably still would have been filming that night. But, you know, like I said, we just had to roll with it.
So you guys ready to watch this?
Yeah, let's check it
do
out.
it.
All right.
By the year 2055, all computers have been infected with a virus that make them deadly to humans.
I am going to visit Dr. X, the man who wrote the code to reverse the virus and free the human race.
The catch is, you must upload the code at the terminal where the virus was created. My data shows that it must be someplace here in the city.
Dr. X, do you think it's wise to trust that machine?
Relax. I built it myself. It's completely off the grid. The real question is, who would do such a thing?
It would.
Dr. X, no! Damn you, machine!
It only happens once in a lifetime. A man has a chance to make up for the sins of his past. The computers were closing in. I could not fail now.
I wouldn't do that if I were you, Brett.
How do you know my name?
I know everything. I know what you are searching for.
Who created you? Where is he?
I am right here, Brett. Look into the screen of your destruction.
That's impossible. You're just a machine.
You should have known it would happen someday. The superior species always wins.
Not today.
And
Right? I mean,
How did that happen?
How did you get that one scene to look so sweet?
No clue.
And then I was like running and yeah.
What about our movie? You know, it's not exactly what we set out to make, but that makes it better, if that makes any sense at all. And I don't know exactly how it's going to do up against the rest of the films, but we just had a lot of fun making it.